Hey, good morning. It's Bob from Trade Genius again. Getting tired of hearing from me, but there is so much good stuff out there now that I just have to bring it to you. This is just amazing chart. One thing people always ask me, and I'm sure they ask Phil this as well, is how high can Bitcoin go? And that's a great question because we always want to just say, hey, are we going to get 100,000? Are we going to get a million? And I actually answer the question a different way. I don't know how high Bitcoin or Litecoin or any of the cryptos are going to go against the US dollar. I just have no idea because I don't know what they're going to do with the fiat currencies. However, you have to compare it against other tradable assets too. And one thing is that you have to compare it against is you have to think of cryptocurrencies as an asset class that competes with other asset classes. And so the big one that I like to look at is I like to look at Bitcoin against gold. I like to look at Bitcoin against oil. I like to look at Bitcoin against the SPY. And one thing here that just absolutely just jumped out at me, and I want to share it with you guys, is that we were absolutely putting in a bottom on Bitcoin. So here's the left shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder, and the nice thing about it is the right shoulder is higher than the left shoulder. Very classic for bottoming, very, very positive. Okay, moving averages are sloping up. This is my area where I drew the neckline. But here's the thing. So this move here, and I'll put the ruler up, is this is approximately a 32% move, okay? And so if you look at here, and let's do it again here, you're looking at the Bitcoin to SPY ratio up to 47, okay, from where it is right now at about 32, 34. And this is, when you trade a lot of people just put directional trades on, but the smarter traders actually are trading against something or hedging against something, and they call it pair trading. And so if you think about this, is that if you had equal parts Bitcoin and you're shorting equal parts SPY, which you could do it with an ETF called SH, is that you can look for a move that's going to be that you're going to get a potential 30% move higher, and which is just absolutely amazing to me because I'm not sure which way it's going to go. Is SPY done and Bitcoin blows higher, or does SPY fall and Bitcoin stays the same, or do they both go up a little and the other one goes down a little? It doesn't matter when you put a pair trade on. Is that you're capturing the move in kind of totality, and so that's why I just want to show that to you here. Is that, and I always laugh because and I'm on Twitter a lot, and I like to troll the trolls. And there's so many people they're just so I just don't understand, especially people that I interact with who are really opposed to the whole fiat system, that somehow they think the crypto thing is not a real thing, and that it's some sort of fraud. Well, somebody's bidding this thing up against the fiat stock system here, and I always laugh when every time there's especially a couple guys on here that always bottoms when they get the loudest, and you can see here that people are actually moving out of the stock market and moving into the crypto assets. You can just see it right here. And so what's important is what Bitcoin can buy, and so over time you're going to see Bitcoin as kind of an asset class currency in and of itself. So anyway, it was interesting to me, and something I always watch, and especially Bitcoin and gold. You're going to see a yin and yang here. When those things start moving together, then we're going to rock and roll. And I think we're in that situation. I just did a gold one video I put out. If Bitcoin's moving and gold moving in the same direction, that people are opting out of the banking system, and you need to pay attention to that. And I think we're getting to that point. So anyway, if you guys like stuff we do, Phil is an absolute genius, pardon the pun, of trade genius with cryptos. Doing it for a long time. Join his room. I'm just amazed. I've known Phil for a long time. I'm just simply amazed at his knowledge on how to trade these things and just what he finds and his methodology. We both kind of approach technical analysis a little differently. And when we line up together on a trade price point, then we're both pretty excited. And you know, we're running special for the crypto room. Just use the promo code Easter. Join us. It's gonna be absolutely an incredible year. And so what I'm trying to do here with you guys to show you is, because I know people are saying, well, cryptos are, well, they've been consolidating or not doing anything. I said, au contraire. You know, Phil pointed out a thing just 2 weeks ago that, hey, you know, you can make 3 to 5% about every week if you're trading it. And also here I'm showing you how you can pair trade it and short something else against it, and how you can make money while we're waiting for this uptrend to really turn. So anyhow, thanks for listening. I have a lot more to talk about this weekend. There's just so much stuff. Thanks for listening and have a great day. Bye-bye.